In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the default waiting room in Zoom so participants wait until you admit them. This feature can be incredibly helpful in maintaining control over who joins your video calls and ensuring a smooth and secure meeting experience for all involved. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to get your waiting room set up. First things first, you'll want to sign in to the Zoom web portal. This is where you can access a variety of settings to customize your Zoom experience. Once you're logged in, head over to the Settings section and click on the Meeting tab. This is where you'll find a range of options that allow you to tailor your meetings to fit your needs. Within the Meeting tab, look for the Security section. It's here you'll spot the waiting room option. To enable the waiting room for your account or user, simply toggle it on. This switch is crucial as it activates the feature, allowing you to control the flow of participants into your meetings. Now, you can go the extra mile and customize who gets placed in the waiting room. By clicking on Edit Options under the waiting room setting, you have the flexibility to decide the criteria. You can choose to place all participants in the waiting room, or perhaps only users who are not part of your account. There's also the option to specify domains, excluding those not listed. This level of customization can be particularly useful if you're looking to streamline participant entry and ensure only the relevant persons join your meeting immediately. If you're looking to make the waiting room your standard for every meeting you schedule, it's important to ensure this setting is enabled at the account or user level. By doing this, all newly scheduled meetings will automatically inherit the waiting room feature, saving you time and effort in managing your schedules. For times when you're scheduling an individual meeting, there's another straightforward step to follow. Head over to the Meetings section, then either schedule a meeting or edit a meeting you've already planned. In this view, under the Advanced Options, you'll see the option to Enable Waiting Room. Make sure this box is checked so that the waiting room is activated right from the get-go for that specific meeting. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll have a waiting room set up for your Zoom calls in no time. It's a fantastic way to keep your meetings orderly and secure, giving you full control over who can join and when. Thanks for following along, and happy meeting.